Hello friends, welcome to JTech AI Solutions. In our upcoming videos, we will learn how we can automate our business with the help of AI. So for this purpose, we will use a tool which name is n8n. So n8n is an open source automation tool that connects app, move data, and automate tasks without heavy coding. So the big benefit is without heavy coding. So there is three different ways to use this tool. One is from their official website, and the second is we need to buy a hosting server. Upon that, we will host our n8n code and use there. And third is our local PC, which is free. So let's see our first method. Uh, Come to n8n.io website, then click upon get started. Here, like this form will open. It's a very simple form. Just fill this. Say Hamza, and here you can add your email address. Next, need to add our password. Here need to add our name. For me, just add HMHM. You can add anyone, but it must be unique. They just give us a 14 days of trial. So after 14 days, we need to pay their subscriptions. But in other solutions, we have some free solutions, and we will also discuss in next. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes, and after that, your account is created, and you can easily use your n8n tool. Some simple questions I just need for me. Blah blah blah. ID, education. Okay. And then click upon start automating. Okay, our trial has been started, and here we can create our workflow easily. So let's explore other ways how we can install and use the n8n. So for the second method, we will go to this link. Upon this link, you will go to buy the VPS. So we need this VPS with 8 GB RAM and 2 CPU, and this will work fine for our project. We will choose this. From here you can choose this from 1 month and 12 month, which one you like. And after here, the main thing here, you need to come to the applications, and in applications you will see here will be the n8n. You will select this, confirm. Okay, in this way this is selected, and this will be automatically installed in our VPS. From here you can choose from 1 month, 12 month, as much as you like, and from here you can continue and pay for this. Okay, when you bought this, and after that you will come to here, and here you can see here is a VPS tab. You will click here, and to use this you will copy this address. Here is your VPS server is ready to use. Copy this address and paste here and click. Okay, fill this form, simple options, and simply add your password. Okay, and follow these instructions for password. Click upon next. Here just fill this simple questions. Okay, and here is an important option. They want to give you free access license key, and that will activate the fully uh, fully features of n8n. So add your right email here and send. Okay, in the email they will send us the activation key. And you will need to put this, click upon here, settings, and enter activation key here, and just go to your Gmail. Here is your activation key. Copy this and put this in your settings and come here and put here and activate. Okay, here your tool is fully activated and installed. In our last method, we will use our Docker to install this at our local system, and this is free to use. So let's start this. For download this, we will go to Docker official website to install the Docker. Here you can download the Docker for your PC and select your related operating system. If you are using Mac, download this for Mac. If you are using Windows, download this for Windows. It's just a simple setup, like you install a game and other softwares at your system. When you click upon this, downloading will start, and you will install the system from that download file. I have already installed it. Let's open that here. After install, you will search and open the Docker. When you install the Docker, it will be shown like that. You come to Docker Hub. Here you will search n8n, and here is the first official image of n8n, which we will pull, and from that we will create container and use n8n. So just simple click upon pull and it will start pulling. It will take some time, and after some time it will become here, and you can verify and see the image. It's 1.71 GB, so it will take some time to install, to pull in your system. So meanwhile we have another task to do, which is to download and install ngrok. Ngrok will help us to connect our local n8n instance, because n8n will be installed in our local system, and we need to connect this with the internet. So to connect our n8n with the internet, it will provide us a temporary static domain, which we can easily use and integrate our n8n with the other applications, with other APIs that is available on internet. So for this purpose we need to install ngrok. So click upon this. When you come to ngrok, you will click upon login with Google, and in the download section, come to download. First select your operating system. If you are using Mac, select this. If you are using Windows, select this. Then come to download and click upon download. After download, it will come a zip file in your system. Okay, this type of, you just extract it. Okay, after extract, open this. Okay, it's just show like a CMD, and you will come to here and copy this first command to assign the access token to this. Just okay, your auth token is saved. So static domain, click upon this, and in this way you will get another command that we will run when we installed completely our n8n. So meanwhile we will come back and you will see your image is ready to use. Click upon this image and click upon this run button. Click here to more options. Here you will give your container name which you like. I am giving my n8n tool. Okay, next need to give some options, and don't worry, I will provide these settings in this slide. I'll copy this and installed in the Docker. Here paste, and for the second option is the path. Come back to my slides and copy this. Okay, from here you can select in which folder you want to save your data. You can select any folder. Okay, I am here, create a new folder, n8n volume. Yeah, this one, and you simple select this, it will append here. Okay, and now we need to add the environment variables. So come here, copy this first one, paste here, and give value true. Okay, no second. This is the important. This is the base URL, and this URL will provide us by the ngrok. Come to ngrok, click upon visit your static domain. Here is the free domain which is provided by the ngrok. We will copy this, go back to Docker. Please put your domain here, so do not copy this. This is mine and this will not work for you. Copy your. Okay, the second is webhook URL, and we will learn about webhook in our upcoming videos. Okay, for now just put your this static domain to webhook URL. Okay, no, this will be our last. Oh, it's all very difficult. Okay, and just put file system here. Okay, our variables are assigned, our volume is assigned, our port number is assigned, and our container name is assigned. Double check these things and just click upon run. Okay, it will take 1 to 2 minutes and your container will be ready to use. Okay, here action. To check it, you just click upon this. Okay, after 1 to 2 minute wait, our n8n is ready to use and it is free to use. Okay, fill this form, simple options, and simply add your password. Okay, and follow these instructions for password. Click upon next. Here just fill these simple questions. Okay, and here is an important option. They want to give you free access license key, and that will activate the fully fully features of n8n. So add your right email here and send. Okay, in the email they will send us the activation key. And you will need to put this, click upon here, settings, and enter activation key here, and just go to your Gmail. Here is your activation key. Copy this and put this in your settings and come here and put here and activate. Okay, here your tool is fully activated and installed. Okay, now our application is ready to use, but we are still using it in our local host, and we need to use this online from internet from anywhere. So for this purpose, we already have installed this ngrok. Okay, and open it again. Just need to put two commands here again. Okay, come to your dashboard, ngrok dashboard, copy this first command, add this here. Okay, now we have access. No need to see your second command. Okay, for here we need to little bit added. We do not need this 80, we need the port number which we have assigned to our container, and which is 5678. Okay, now run this. Okay, click upon visit your domain. Okay, now you can see our system is running upon internet, and we can connect and use this from anywhere using this internet. But while your system is running, if your system is closed, your docker container is off, you cannot use this. Here is a limitation, and for most of the purpose, if we want to do some work in our local system only, or we just need to use for testing, for that purpose we can use this in our local system. Okay, here is a simple comparison table between which option to use the n8n is best for us. So for this purpose you can explore this table and choose a suitable option for your purpose. If you want to a quick start, no setup need, you need to install the use the Docker at their official n8n cloud server, and this is an easier secured way and run in the browser, and you can access this from internet easily, but it monthly cost less control. ठीक? And the next option is your VPS server. If you want to use this in your VPS server, this is available 24/7 and you can access from internet anywhere, same like this hosting cloud, always online, full control, but little bit tech setup is needed. But uh, as I show you in the hostinger, it is not too difficult to install this. And the last option is a local PC. This is best for just for testing or dev work, just if you want to create a workflow and you later on you will deploy this to your live server or your cloud. So for that purpose you need to use this local PC system. It is free setup, but it needs some setup knowledge or a little bit tricky to install this. And the last thing that is problem with this free solution, and if your system is off, your workflow will be stopped. So that is the last, you can say, the misadvantage or uh, problem with the free solution. So if you want to use this 24/7, you need to own your system 24/7, so that will be difficult.